debutants, 2 in the starting side. Number 8, Sakura 15. Number 8, Saina Saito at the back of the scrum. Positional shifts in the forwards, same 8. They've come through. Nakesa, who was at second row last week, moves to number 8. Fisher starts at open side. And we're ready to go. The Drua get us going. Varanise Goro. What a big day for Harabab Malcolm. First receiver and first carry for her. Malcolm Heke. Defense by Fiji. Lutumambao. Fijian Drua Women struggling and then reaching through and lose that prop. Alana Sikimeti gets the opening try. And set piece play worked for the Western Force. And then grinding in the front. And from the front, the likes of Malcolm Heke, Ngaunamo. Comes back for Varanise Singoro. Puts it on the board, gets it straight to Wiggly. Wiggly Buleki steps away from one. Vadim Buleki gets the try for Western Force. Well, it was from the kick from Varanise Singoro. And Wiggly fielding well, but the finish from Buleki, nice work, running, stepping outside the defender. And Petila Tawake connecting this time with Kaletai, and Nakesa gets it up. Naihamu finds the space. Naihamu breaks that last tackle. What a try! What a hit back! Try from Josephini. Well, when your set piece goes right, you can do anything, and Tawake doubling around that one. Naihamu beating one and then getting away from the defense. Josephine Naihamu, she is special. Wonderful hit back. Wood. And she puts that out. And they'll go to the halftime break. 2 tries to 1. And good show by the Western Force. Nicole Leddington gets us underway. It now trying to straighten there. Smith, nice work. Ball comes back on the carpet. Wood, penalty advantage. The 21-year-old co-captain. And Wood makes no mistake from right in front. She aids the first 3 points of the second spell. That line out worked for the Fijian Drua Women. Tawake, the captain, batters herself up. Lomani gets it away. Here's 18 years of age. Kaleta Yi, nice work, setting it up. Lomani gets it out. Fijian Drua Women inside the 22. Nice step from Tove. Now, good work comes for Vueti, and she gets through. Litiana Vueti, what an impact she's having off the bench. Second try for the Fijiana Drua Women, and they did quite well. Lovely play in the middle, and then Vueti stretching out in the corner to finish that. But clever work by Vika Nakavia. Ngaunamo gets the message to Malcolm Heke. Malcolm Heke, nice work in the middle. Trying to get it away. Oh, Wood, she found a way through that crowded defense. 100% from the boot for her. Nice work. It seemed like it was about to break down, but Wood was there, just like a good halfback. Nice work with the ball in field. Now it comes from Lomani. Good work by Naihamu. Gets it out. Ngoro out into right Tumbu. She got a try last week. Gets it in for Ngoro. And Varanise Ngoro will get in for the Fijian Drua. Tit for tit rugby. Try for try. Or they didn't look for that face setup. They didn't do that. And now Western Force with the kick, get the position again. But now here's right Tumbu. Gets away from Leddington. Angela right Tumbu. She scored a try last week in a debut. That's the 3rd try in the second half for the Fijian Drua Women. 4 tries, right Tumbu, who hails from the... Watching this on TV at home. Vueti looking to get the conversion. Oh, what a kick. Sorokavika also made a debut last week along with Lautoka. So both players getting their second run off the bench. Vueti enterprising. Whoa, that is brilliant. Goro gets in for her brace. But what can you say about that? Wonderful, look at that. Letiana Vueti saw the defense, knocked there at home, put the kick through, lovely gather, and off from Goro. Enterprising. That's thinking off the toes and quick workman.
Well, that. She was on fire.
They still have it very close to the upright, still there. Recycle ball and the knock-on pops. Western Force women threw everything in that play. It's all over. Fijian Drua Women put on a massive show in the second half. A massive comeback.
Bitila, what does it mean to get your first win of the season here at home and in front of such a passionate home crowd?
Honestly, they're just grateful to the crowd that came out today, our families most importantly. Our moms, our dads, our sisters and our brothers out here to support the Drua girls just means a lot, and especially at home, one of the best crowds we could ever ask for.
Last week there were areas the team wanted to improve on. What were you most pleased with in today's performance?
Honestly, we had a rough start, but we're just fixing on the go. That's all about teamwork. Yeah, just trusting the process.
And there were moments when the force put you under pressure, but the team stayed composed. What does that say about the character of this Drua women's group?
Honestly, resilience. That's one of our values for this season. Just, you know, women are very... we just adapt as we go on. So that's what we showed on the field today, and just excellent job to the girls and also Western Force coming all the way to Fiji.
Thank you so much, Mbitila, and all the best for your next game.
Naka.
Great effort from Betila Tawake.
And playing in Fiji and in front of a vocal Drua crowd is a unique experience. How did you find the atmosphere today?
Atmosphere is unreal. I know the Fijian people always get behind their teams, so it's cool. Even though you're not cheering for us, it's a great atmosphere to be a part of. So thank you everyone for supporting women's rugby. Thank you for coming out, no matter what team you're supporting out here. We're really grateful that you made the effort to come out here.
Thank you so much and all the best for your next game.